Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I built a multilingual Instagram chatbot for a women's wellness center using ManyChat. The client needed something simple. Number one, a chatbot for inquiries and appointment booking. Number two, support for English, Malay and Chinese. And number three, a system to follow up with users who didn't complete the process. But the moment you combine multilingual flows, structured data collection, user mistakes, metas, automation, message rule within 24 hours, and API limitations, the project becomes much more complex. Let me show you the challenges I solved. Number one, preventing accidental restarts. Instagram can restart flows when users type simple words like hi or hello. Number two, helping users who get stuck. Users might type or make mistakes instead of tapping the quick replies. Number three, keeping the flow manageable. Multilingual flows can explode in size if not designed carefully. Number four, the phone number pop-up issue. Data collection is interrupted as Instagram forces a call or WhatsApp this number pop-up when the user types their phone number. Number five, lead labeling without spreadsheets. The client needed clear indicators on who required follow-up. Number six, avoiding mixed data. If a user restarts after completing an inquiry or appointment, the bot must not mix old and new fields or labels. And finally, number seven, missing chat history and lead label management. Some user chat logs went missing in the Instagram or Meta Business Suite apps due to API limitations. Also, lead labels had to be managed in a single platform. Here's how I addressed the challenges. In principle, to keep everything stable, I split the bot into two flows. Flow A is the trigger flow. This activates when the user types hi or hello or other greeting keywords. It saves the user's language and it sends the user into flow B, which is the main workflow. This contains all the logic as you can see on the screen. So let's go into the solutions. Challenges number 1 and 2 solution. Design user experience to reduce accidental restarts and help stuck users. To minimize the accidental restarts from greeting keywords like hi or hello prior to the structured data collection in the inquiry or appointment section, I designed the interface so users rarely need to type. Instead, they navigate using quick replies that let them reselect their language and reselect their service category. And if a user does get stuck or make mistakes before entering the inquiry or appointment section, users know to either type restart, mula semula, or 重新开始 due to the instructions provided in the welcome message. This creates a predictable and user-friendly experience. Challenge number 3, solution. Use layered if blocks and reuse content blocks. What do I mean? Step 1. Have a language user field that stores English as EN, Malay as BN, or Chinese as CN. Step 2. Place a language router that checks the user's language. Step 3. Use layered if logic for messages that depend on both language and service. And step 4. Reuse content blocks across relevant parts of the flow. This keeps the flow organized and reduces the work associated with updates. Challenge number 4, solution. Ask for phone number last. To avoid data interruption from Instagram's pop-up. When users type a phone number, I pushed the phone number question to the end. By then, all other data is already collected and nothing downstream breaks. Challenge number 5 solution. Use a lead labeling system. To help the client manage leads without Excel, I added labels, as you can see on the screen, to make it clear to client on lead status. Challenge number 6 solution. Apply full reset logic at the end of the workflow. Every restart at the end of the flow triggers a full cleanup. All user fields are cleared and all flow-related labels are removed. By doing so, mixed data from the previous session is prevented. Challenge number 7 solution. Use ManyChat Live Chat. I explained 2 issues to the client. Number 1, due to API limitations, not all messages show up in Instagram or Meta Business Suite, even though they do appear in ManyChat. Number 2, automated lead labeling is only possible with ManyChat. In addition, ManyChat lead labels are only visible in ManyChat Live Chat. So, for the client to see complete conversation history and manage or view lead labels, the client must only use ManyChat Live Chat. Here is a demo of how the bot works. First, I'm going to type hi to turn the chatbot on. The chatbot is also activated by also typing apa kabar or ni hao. As you can see, the welcome message informs the user how to restart should they get stuck. Now let's choose English from the quick replies. In the service category menu, I have 4 options: postpartum recovery, pregnancy prep, body conditioning, and to change language. If I select change language, the bot returns to the welcome screen where language selection is possible. Let's reselect the language to Bahasa Melayu. Following that, let's select kondisi badan or body conditioning. The body conditioning services with prices is shown. Now I have the option of making further inquiries, making an appointment, going back to the service menu and changing the language. Let's go back to the service menu and select a different option. I will choose pemulihan bersalin or postpartum recovery. A new picture pops up with the services and prices. I will proceed to select the second option of making an appointment. This is where data is collected. For service, let's write Bengkong. For date, let's write 20th of December 2025. Time 9 AM. Notes or preferences, we'll just write tiada or none. Full name, let's put Jane Doe. And for the phone number, let's just put +6 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here is the thank you message, and as you can see, if the user wants to update information previously inputted, the user will have to type mula semula to restart the entire process. In ManyChat Live Chat, I can see the entire chat history from beginning to end. As you can see over here, yep, scrolling up. In the text, we can see that this user has completed the appointment process as the appointment completed tag is checked. Also, a manual follow-up to confirm the appointment is required as per the other tag checked above. In the fields section, we see fields have been updated corresponding to the data I provided. And there are additional fields such as username and time lead was created at. I will now type mula semula to restart the process. And I am back to the welcome message. Back in ManyChat, the tags have all been removed and all the fields have been cleared, with exception to the username. Final advice. Good planning is required for chatbots that run purely on logic. However, you will always uncover platform limitations as you build. The key is starting with the right structure and adapting as you learn. Fortunately, ChatGPT helped me shorten the learning curve with ManyChat. But ultimately, it's the foundation that makes the system scalable and reliable. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more real-world automation case studies and practical chatbot builds. Thanks for watching.